Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can find the Discord account token. So you're trying to find the Discord account token, you need it for some reason but you can't figure out how you can find it. You've clicked on the right video. Watch this video till the end. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can find the Discord account token in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So before we begin the process, to do this process, you'll need to do it in a computer. You can use a Mac, a Windows, or any other computer that you have. So to begin this process, what you want to do is open a browser on your computer, then go to discord.com. Once you go to discord.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Here what you want to do is tap on open in your browser. Once you do that, log into the account that you want to find the token for. Once log into the account, you'll land on an interface like this. Now what you want to do is open the developer tool of the browser. So to do that, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner of your browser, then go into more tools, then go into developer tools. So once you go into developer tools, you'll see something like this open on the right side of your screen. So from here what you want to do is go into application. So to go into application, what you need to do is tap on this icon here, then go into application. Once you go into application, here you'll see a list of things like this. Now in storage, what you want to do is tap on local storage and open this, then tap on discord.com. Then in filter, what you want to do is tap on token. Once you enter token, all the keys and values should disappear. So to get a token, what you need to do is tap on this icon right beside the element option, then tap on that. Once you do that, here you can see that the token is now visible. So this is your token. So before you take this token and give it to anyone, I'll warn you, you should not do that. You should keep your token private and safe, because with your token anyone can access or hack your account very easily. So keep this token safe and private. So now you have the token, you can use it any way you want. So those were the simple steps in order to find your Discord account token. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.